Hello everyone, this is Prabhat Malviya from Excel Infotech. Uh, Let me tell you something about Excel Infotech, what we have been doing since last 12 years. In 2024, we have completed around 12 years, 12 and a half years. So we have been working in the field of software development for schools and colleges and web application for the online payment gateway and other things. So we have been very much popular uh, with our services, whatever small services we could provide. We have around 300 schools and colleges in Mumbai, around 100 in Indore, Jhansi, Gwalior, in MP areas, and we are growing throughout India nowadays. So we have all kinds of modules for schools and colleges for admission process, fee collection, tracking of due payments, bona fide certificate, mark sheet module, iCard, whatever, etc. You can visit our website and you can view our institute management things, library management, whatever thing you want to see about the product and the feedback of our clients. So that has been very nice and very useful. And the most important thing is that it is much more cheaper than the current market price. The what the software companies generally charge. We charge less than half of the common price, and the quality goes with the extremely good database Oracle, and sometimes we use SQL for online payment gateway, etc., because it is available everywhere. And Oracle is used for desktop application, those who want to keep their software in their own premise and they want to use their own system for fee collection, mark sheet preparation, etc., and they want to be more secure and safe. So they use the desktop application, but we also have the facility to go online. And recently, after Corona, we have been facing lots of problems related with the online payments gateway, and we have uh, got the issues related with the online payments that the schools generally say that who has paid what, we generally don't know what payment which who has made, and then the parents come and they say that generally I paid 1200 or 1500 or some amount 15 days back, which is not updated by you, and all those things. So to avoid these all issues related with the online payment gateway, we have provided our users who are using our software since last several years uh, to connect to that software fee application with the online application with the which will be integrated with the payment gateway. And one of the client which have been using our application have given us permission to make a demo, and this demo will be useful for them also to learn, and it will be useful for all the things which they want to uh, do with the application. So the things which I want to make it clear, that it is a kind of web application which is integrated with our desktop application, and if somebody is not using our desktop application, they can go online if they want. So have a look at that. This is about us page, and this is the parents login. What is parents login? It is user ID and password given by us to the parents for the payments online, and generally it is a mobile number which is registered with the details of their children who study in our school. So it is password protected, they can change their password also, but it is open to show you, like any simple password can be used in this. That's why it is open, otherwise it would have been hidden So generally it is hidden, but I have made it open for you, that anything you can write here, simplest format, and you can log in as a parent. If you are going to pay online, you can use this. And when you log in, you can see the children who are studying in your school or college, how much amount they have uh, as a due in the fee. You can watch here current session due, previous session due, if there is any, the class name of the student and other things. So parents, they can see if there are 2-3 students affiliated with the particular parent, they will be able to view all the students list here and with their respective dues and all this. So here they have got the option to pay the fee online. They can write whatever amount they want to pay. Otherwise it can be fixed also. Some schools don't want to make this payment field open, as they may pay whatever amount they want, and later it can become a huge work to perform. It can be fixed also, that if this amount is due, this can be fixed, or any other particular amount, 2000 rupees, 4000 rupees, whatever you want, can be fixed for this payment fee. Suppose it is open now and the parent have logged in and they want to pay some amount for that, they just want to pay 1000 rupees. So they can put it here and they can pay fee like that. So I am going to show how the performance will be done by the parents. They will just write the amount here and they will click on pay fee button. So it is integrated with the payment gateway, so they can immediately have the options of card, net banking, wallet, EMI, pay later, etc. And if they go for card, suppose they have all this kind of MasterCard facilities, Visa facilities also. So like that they can select and they can write the CC, whatever amount, the amount which is to be paid can be shown, can be seen here. 1000 they are going to pay, and they can just click on pay now button, and this will go to the school account directly through payment gateway, and it is a success. So it is for a demo purpose. So you can, they can with the parents can see that payment is successful, 1000 rupees is given, and they can directly come to our success page of the web application. So this is the simplest form. If the payment fails, that is also shown to them that the payment is not failed. So with this simple application, they can pay online, and there is no need to visit the school or college to make the payments directly. And not only this, the parents have all the facilities that they can view the payment history made them by. They have made suppose 2 payments here or 3 payments in last few days. If they want to see the last month how much payment was made, what was the total, or last to last month, they can select any day, and they from then till today whatever payments have been made, they can search here and they can see all the payments history. This was the order ID, this was the payment amount, date, and the total amount paid by them. Here you can see that they have the receipt number also. Here they can watch the receipt number, means the school has recognized their payment and they have issued a receipt number for their payment. So here suppose these two are blank. So if the school administrator looks through our web application, they can notice that these 2 payments are made by the parents and they can issue a receipt for them. They immediately, the receipt number will be reflected here for the parents. And not only this, it is a web application, so most of the things can be done here. Like any parent or anybody can contact to the school or college using this contact us form. They can write any subject name, mobile number, respective email ID, and their particular message, and that message will be sent to the school administrator automatically. So these are the basic things which are useful for the parents to pay the payments online. And if payment is done, they can log out and they can uh, again log in to view all the details, present condition, whether the school has seen or not, or the receipt number is updated or not. So they can go and watch all those things. So these are the basic things for the parents which we have provided. And for the school purpose, the college purpose, we have given this administrator login, which will be useful for the school administration, and they can log in with their own user ID and password. They can change their password using this forget password, and they can simply see all the things, how many datas are there since last 2-3 months or whatever date they want. Suppose they want to see the data of last 2 months, 3 months, then they can select any date, and from that date to today, till today, whatever data is there, they can watch. The total amount is there. This is the receipt number, which is in red color, means they have not issued the receipt number for the parents. The payment is made online. So these are the facilities which administrator can. So they can update the database online also. They can click here. Here they can, as you have seen, this the receipt number is issued here, so it is in blue, and red is the color of those payments made by the parents online, that the receipt number is to be given. So they can update like that. This receipt number was the last step. Any receipt number they can write here, whatever the receipt is generated. Obviously they can write it here, and they can update the details. So the receipt number will be updated accordingly. And not only this, administrator can do lots of things here like this, and they can add new parent user with their new mobile numbers and the password, and they can activate the current batch. Suppose this was the batch, this was the last batch, so they can select their own current batch for the online updates. So the web application will go and update for that particular batch only, and they can send the due fee reminder also. Suppose they want to send reminder to a particular student, they can write the registration ID and they can search the detail of the student and they can send the reminder. Or if they want to search a particular class and section, they can view all the details of those particular students. If suppose in this year the current year due fee of this student was shown here, last year due fee was shown here, so if reminder is to be sent, they can click here and they can send the reminder. So the SMS will be sent to the respective parents for the due fee on their mobile. So these are the features which administrator can do after login, and they can also view most of the things that they have. User password, they can if some parents forget their own password, they can tell them this. Suppose this was the, or any other thing password was there, they can view the password of the particular user, like this was the password for that particular parent. So they can tell that that was the password if they are not able to recognize or they have forgotten the password. So these are the features which are very much useful, and they can upload new events, they can add new blogs, whatever things they want to do. Here if some activity is going on for the school, they can add their titles and they can view the things details. It is a kind of demo which we are showing. So these are the features which are used by the administrator as well as the parents when they use our web application. So simply it is very much useful and very much handy, and they can have a full account of online payments for the students, as well as the parents can watch whatever amount they have paid. And for the due reminder, it is very much easy and handy. So this is what we have developed recently for our users as well as for the new upcoming software users, of web application users of our company. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.